Hi all, Goda Govinda. This is Madhavalasya from Channel ML. First of all, thank you so much for all your subscriptions as well as your views, comments, feedback, etc. Because you have been like pouring your love unto me, who does not deserve it at all. So my humble gratitude to all of you, and all glories unto my Acharya, who is Srimad Arigesh Singer. So with that being said, so today we are going to discuss about how to get the same experiences as got by Arvars. So many of them would have read about like Arvars. Arvars are so absorbed like a sponge immersed in the water. Like how a sponge would get immersed in the water, it will absorb the water. Likewise, Arvars were absorbed in Perumal's divine qualities, always absorbed in Perumal in fullness in all ways. So many of the people would suggest that those experiences cannot be got by us, like who are just like fallen souls, which is utterly false. Because Sriman Narayana is not partial in that case. So basically, in order to get so we are going to discuss about how to get those experiences and what is preventing us from getting those experiences, and how is it possible to get those experiences being in this Prakriti world, that is materialistic world. So the first thing is first thing we should have is like desire. So if you don't have desire to enjoy Sriman Narayana just like the way of Sri Arvas does, like then there's no use. Or if you don't have desires, at least if you think like, okay, why is just for Arvas? It's a comparison. Why it's just for Arvas? Why not for me? At least that kind of attitude should be there. So either desire should be there, which is very tough in this materialistic world. But I'm not saying many people should not have it. Many people has it and still doing it. But then this materialistic world will not leave us because of our karma. Or the second thing is comparison. Okay, why would Sriman Narayana give those experience only to Arvas and not to me? So that kind of comparison, if we have it also, like that is also good comparison, right? Like good comparison between us. So there's nothing wrong in comparing us with Arvas. Of course, we are not Arvas, but at least the experiences got by Arvas can be compared with us, asking for more. Because those are like set an example by them for us to follow and for us to also experience, rather than just restricting ourselves, stating that or confining ourselves, stating that no, those are all just for Arvas, not for me. No, it's not for that. All Arvas came down to our earth, and then especially in South India, and then spread Vaishnavism just to make us understand that these experiences can be got and has to be got by everyone, like how everybody has a right to get into Sri Vaikuntham. Likewise, Arvas want to propagate that whatever experience I got, I received, the same or more experiences, you are also eligible to get it. That's how Sriman Narayana is. So with that being said, first of all, we need to have a desire. Second, we need to compare it and we say why it's happening only for them. Materialistic comparison are bad, but spiritually comparison is good. Similarly, materialistic desires are bad, but spiritually desires are good. Similarly, materialistic lust is bad, but spiritual lust towards Sriman Narayana is good. So at least at some person we should have it, right? So Sriman Narayana is very sweet. He's saying you can't have all these things in materialistic world because it will keep you more bounded or binded together. Rather, you keep everything upon me. You want to show me anger, you show it onto me. Be truthful to me. If you want to be lustful about me, just be lustful about me. If you want to have all those experiences which Arvar got, if you want to compare yourself with another devotee, that's okay. I don't mind. So that's how it is, right? So the first thing is desire, we should have it. If not desire, then at least we should have a comparison. Third thing is we should have done Sharanagati in order to obtain that. Why we are saying is all our karma was stopping us from obtaining that kind of divine experiences. So of course Sriman Narayana can banish all the karmas, can nullify all the karmas only through Sharanagati. So even after getting Sharanagati, if you still did not get it, then that is because of a Prakriti Prarabdha karma. Prarabdha karma means the reason why we took this birth, right? And then the fifth thing is we need to ask the Lord. Ask, that's what our mouth is for. Ask the Lord, there's nothing you should not ask Lord about money, gift and everything. You can ask anything to Sriman Narayana. He's happy to give it to you. So don't believe in other religious groups like ISKCON where you say you should not ask him anything. No. He wants us to ask, even if it's money also, go and ask him. Just him. Just say, Sriman Narayana, I want more money because I have to pay this rent, I have to pay this. Just be truthful to him as you're truthful to as you're sharing all your grievances or happiness with your friends or family members. Likewise, treat him as one of your relative and then share everything with him. He'll be happy to help you. So ask him, like, I want to have the same parabhakti, paragnana, paramabhakti, which is the same experiences got by Arvars. And if you ask them also, like, even if it's not getting it, give it a time, it will happen. And also, like, many of the devotees whom I associated with, and I already got it, and I too got it. So I'm not saying it with pride or anything, but I want everybody to know, if I can get it, and everybody can get it, because, like, I am a fallen soul. So if I can get Sharanagati, everybody can get it. If I can get all the Parabhakti, Paragnana, Paramabhakti experiences, if Sriman Narayana can give it to me, then he can give it to anyone else, because I'm a fallenest soul in the entire creation. That's what I consider myself. So that's what my Acharya also has told the same thing. He has clearly said that, like, all the experiences, like, all the divine experiences by the Arvas are to be got by all of us. That's why, like, they took the birth. So it's not like, don't confine yourself stating that those experiences are only for Arvas and not for me. If you have a desire, if you have the comparison, like, why they are only getting everything, why not me? And if you ask to Srimanana, if you will get it. If still you're not able to get it, then that means, like, it's because of a karma, like how to nullify the karma by taking Sharanagati. So even after taking Sharanagati, if you're not getting it, that is because of our prarabdha karma, the reason why we took this birth. That is why I already told in the previous session, like, prarabdha karma, how to nullify it. Like, you have to do the Narayana, Narayana, Narayana in both your left hand and right hand, like, clockwise and anti-clockwise, in both left hand and right hand. And then, like, say Shri Krishna Arpanamastu, like, for every activity you're doing it. So if you do it, like, you are just giving away all the fruitive actions, fruitive reactions as well, so to Sriman Narayana, then he will take care of it. So that is all, guys, I have for you today. I just want to, one of the feedback I got from everyone is, like, just to keep it very short and crisp. I tried to keep it to, I cannot keep it to 2 minutes or 3 minutes, but I can definitely keep it within 10 minutes. So that's what I'm aiming for. Within 5 minutes is very, very tough for me, because I have so much to share. So that's why it is. So that's all for today. So please try to ask Sriman Narayana about, like, Parabhakti, Paragnana, Paramabhakti, or all the divine experiences got by Arvars. And then, like, try to try to wait for a few minutes and wait for some time, and then you will see the difference, like, where many of the devotees whom I associated with got the same experience, and also Adian also got the same experience. So it doesn't mean that I have a pride or anything. It's just that, like, I want to let you all know that, like, if everybody can get it, then why not you? Then why are you have to be left out, right? Just try it and see the difference in your life. It will be very beautiful for having experiencing those divine things with Sriman Narayana. Until then, see you next time. Until then, take care, wear mask when you go out, take reusable bags, especially during this COVID seasons, and stay safe. Goda Govinda.